Hello, welcome. Today we're going to be going over this old Craftsman Sears wrench set. Comes in this pouch. Craftsman 9_9 together. Then number 943441 10-piece combination ignition wrench set. Super tough steel. Wrench size is 3/16 by 5/32. Then 15/64 by quarter. 5/16 by 11/32. 13/64 by 7/32, quarter by 9/32, 11/32 by 3/8, 5/32 by 3/16, 7/32 by 15/64, 9/32 by 5/16, 3/8 by 7/16. All of those wrenches. I think I might have added a few more. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. I think there's one more in here than there originally was. But let's start with the smallest and move up. 3/16 by 5/32. I mean, the smallest one we have. Oh shit. The smallest one, look how small that is. I can barely fit my finger in there. Or, no, that's not even. One of these is the smallest, but I can't read that. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, just put the road back in there. And back to the point, do I recommend this? Yes. Is it still in production? I don't know. Do I like Craftsman? The power tools, like their cordless power tools? No, but their corded tools and their wrenches, one of the best you can buy. So there's like overview of the Craftsman number 94341 wrench set.